Hey guys, I just went to the base and bought a Pokemon pack from EB Games, and I'm here to show you guys the cards I got. I already know what they are, but I'm really excited to show you guys. Now, here is the code card if you guys want to put that on it. Now, I'm going to do the card trick where you take 3 from the back and put them in the front. Now, what we have here, we got a Litleo, a Rufflet, a Ponyard, a Pinpluck, a Noibat, a Diglett, an Ambipom, a Fungus, a Reverse Omastar, and the last card I was really excited about is an EX here, my 4th one, which is kind of boring, but still, I got an Ash Greninja EX. It's not a full art, you can see the shine and everything. I really like it. Now, I know one of my friends had it, but I think he still got it. But yeah, hopefully I can trade it or still have it or something. You guys tell me how rare it is or something like that in the comments. Well, hope you had a good time seeing my cards. This is probably the best one in the pack, but still, bye.